Hi friends, this is Aarti ma'am. How are you all today? Yeah, well done dears. I hope you are all doing good and fine at your home. Dears, now you have to say if we want to write any exams, what are the things as we should have done before the examination? If you want to write any exams, what are the things as you should have done before the exam? Very good dears. We just recall of our portions, right? We just revise our lessons. Then only we can write the exams nicely. Clear? Well done dears. That's why I made this video for revision. Okay, this is your revision video for social science. Yeah, let's see the topics. Yes, dears, after SA1 examination we had seen 3 lessons, right? Our changing earth, rules and buildings, rulers and buildings, and another one is air. Okay, we just let's go to recall the lessons. Yeah, in our changing earth lessons, what we had seen, yeah, it's about lithospheric plates, right? Yeah, like a crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. Likewise, we had seen lithospheric plates. We had seen about lithospheric plates. Then, what are the things as we had seen in our earth, our changing earth? Yeah, we had seen something about a volcano, right? How it is made, why it is made. Likewise, we had seen, right? Yeah, now you have to say what is volcano. Yeah, a volcano is a vent in Earth's crust through which molten materials erupt suddenly. Yeah, see, that is magma chamber. The opening, the volcano has a open, right? Yeah, using the open, it's come out. Okay, that's called volcano, right? As well as we had seen about the vibration, right? Vibration, earthquakes, and focus. Likewise, we had seen. Yeah, now can you explain that? What is focus? What is epicenter? Yeah, very good here. So similarly, when the lithospheric plates move, the surface of the earth vibrates, right? Yeah, the vibration can travel all around the earth. These vibrations are called earthquakes. And the place in the crust where the movements started is called the focus. That is focus, right? The movement start where the movement starts, that's called focus. Next one is epicenter. What is epicenter? The place on the surface above the focus is called epicenter, right? The place on the surface, place on the earth, that's called epicenter. Place on the surface above the focus is called epicenter. Now clear? Yeah, these kind of things as we had seen in the lessons. Next, what are the things as, what are the extra informations we had seen in this lesson? Yeah, we had seen something about Indonesia, Japan, and some machines like seismograph. Yeah, what is a seismograph? Very good dears. Using seismograph we can measure the earthquake levels, right? Yeah, in Richter scale we can measure the earthquake using seismograph. That's called seismographs. Okay. Next, the important one is, yeah, listen here dears. Maybe you will be attend this question for FA3 examination, so carefully you have to listen here. Evaluation of landforms. We had seen evaluation of landforms. Yeah, the diagram is essential for us. That's why you have to recall it once again. Okay, earth movements, we can divide it into two. One is endogenic forces and exogenic forces. Endogenic forces divided to sudden forces, and sudden forces we can divide it into three parts: earthquake, volcano and landslides. Here exogenic forces and erosional and depositional is into the exogenic forces. Yeah, before that, once again you have to say what is endogenic and what is exogenic force. Yeah, endo means inside, exo means outside. Okay, that is endo means inside, exo means outside. Inside origin is called endogenic, outside origin is called exogenic. Clear now? Okay, dears. Outside, what are the earth, what are the things is get from the outside is called and exogenic forces like river, wind, sea waves, glaciers, these kind of things. Dears, is this only we had seen in this lesson? Yeah, as well as we had seen something about major landforms like work of river, what is work of river, and what is a work of sea waves, what is work of ice, and what is work of winds. These kind of things is we had seen from the lessons, right? As well as we had seen why we need it, likewise we had seen, right? Okay, dears, that is in our environment book. But in history, what we had seen after a SA1 examination, what we had seen in history. Yeah, amazing, dears. In the lesson rulers and buildings lesson, we had seen about the Kudupina, right? Yeah, who is built the Kudupina? Yeah, Qutub Minar is built by Qutbuddin Aibak, and rest of the first floor is built by Qutbuddin Aibak, and rest of the building is Iltutmish. Okay, and a lot of kings repaired the Qutub Minars. Likewise, we had seen, and another one is we had seen the arches, right? What is the structure of a Qutub Minar? And geometrical designs, what is inscription, likewise we had seen, right? Yeah, okay, dears, is this only we had seen in this lesson is rulers and buildings? Yeah, more the engineering skills and construction, right? Yeah, in this portions, what are the things is we should have learned? Yeah, about trumpet and arches, use of limestone cement, right? Yeah, what is a trumpet? Placing a horizontal beam across two vertical columns, that's called trumpet. Then arches, yeah, that is interesting topics we had seen, right? Yeah, different kinds of arches we had seen. We can divide it two parts into arches. One is true arch and one is carvel arch, right? Yeah, well done, dears. Next one is technologies. Yeah, we can simply say technologies in 7th to 10th centuries. What are the technologies they were used? Likewise, we had seen. Okay, dears. Next, another one important parts. Why the kings like to build lot of temples? Likewise, we had seen, right? Now you have to say again, why were the temples constructed by kings? Yeah, to show their power and to show their wealth, to show their devotion of God, and final reason is to show themselves as representative of God, right? The four reasons they were built lot of temples. Okay, that is the main reasons. Yes, now dears, can you recall some example temples in Tamil Nadu? Sorry, in India? Yeah, we had seen two examples temples. One is very good, dears. It's constructed in early 11th century, right? What is the temple name? Gandharya Mahadeva temple. Yes, Gandharya Mahadeva temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, right? Where it was constructed? When it was constructed? Yeah, it was constructed in 999 by King Dangadeva. He made this temple, right? Gandharya Mahadeva temple is built by Dangadeva. Okay, right? Yes, another one example temple in 11th century. Very good, yes. Rajarajeshwara temple at Tanjore, right? Yes, especially we had seen about Shigara. Especially we had seen the tallest Shigara amongst them temples of its time constructing. Yes, especially we had seen the construction how they set the 90-ton stone on the top. Likewise, we had seen. Yeah, how they fix 90-ton stone on the top. Very good, dears. They made 4 kilometer way, right? Using 4 kilometer way, they set the 90-ton stone on the top, right? Yeah. Another one extra information is about Rajarajeshwara temple. The path started more than 4 kilometer away, so that would not be too steep, right? This was dismantled after temple was constructed, but the resistance of area remember the experience of the construction of a temple for long time. Yeah, nowadays also a village having the name Cherupallam, right? The village of Incline. Yeah, nowadays also we have that village. Okay, that is extra information about the temple. And another one topic for this lesson is tanks and reservoir. Yeah, not only Tamil Nadu, all over India, if most of the temples having ponds, right? Tanks. Yes, now again you have to say why they made lot of tanks around the temple. Yeah, it has lot of reasons, but you have to say the which one is most important reason, valuable reason. Yeah, for harvesting rainwater. For rainwater harvesting, they made lot of tanks in temples, right? Yeah, okay, dears. Dears, you should recall a question. Petra Tura. What is Petra Tura? Likewise, you have to recall this word, and you should know what is Petra Tura. Okay, yeah, right. As well as in this lesson, having some information about gardens, tombs, and forts. Why they made lot of gardens and forts. Likewise, we had seen in this lesson. That is a history one. Okay, dears. Next one, last lesson, last portion for FA3 exam is air. Yeah. Again, we had seen our environment book. The lesson is air. Yes, what are the things as we had seen in this lesson? Can you say what is atmosphere? Yeah, our earth is surrounded by huge blanket of air is called atmosphere. Now, dears, you have to say which two gases make up the bulk of the atmosphere? Yeah, one is nitrogen. Very good, dear. 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. Very good, dears. Likewise, we had seen, yes, another one essential part in this lesson is layers, structure of atmosphere. We had seen structure of atmosphere. Yeah, actually, I had given example sentence to remember the layers. Can you say the Example sentence. The sun must tell everyone. Sun remembers the T remembers troposphere. Yes, sun. Sun. Yes, remembers stratosphere. Must. M. Remember mesosphere and telled. T remembers thermosphere, and final one everyone E remembers exosphere. Likewise we had seen, right? Yeah, so you should know the 5 layers name and the diagrams. Clear? Yeah, as well as we had seen about weather and climate. Yeah, dear, simply can you say what is weather and what is climate? Very good. Condition of atmosphere is called weather. Weather condition of a place is called climate. Clear? Very good, dears. Next one is we had seen something about temperature. Yes, what are the things as we had seen? Yeah, why we need temperature? Without temperature can we live? Likewise we had seen, right? Yeah, how can we measure temperature? Which one is used to measure the temperature? Likewise we had seen lot of things as related in temperature, right? Yeah, very good, years. As well as we should learn about the room temperature and body temperature. These kind of things as we had done in this lesson. As well as we had known something about weather instruments, right? Yeah, can you recall me weather instruments? Very good, yeah. Thermometer, rain gauge and barometer and wind vane. The 4 instruments we had seen. Yes, why we need a thermometer? For measure the temperature. Very good. Why we need barometer? To measure the atmospheric pressure. Okay, why we need wind vane? Very good. Show the direction of a wind. That's why these kind of instruments we need, right? Yeah, especially you should know the shape of this instruments and the right spelling of the instruments. Okay, it will be help you to write the exams. Okay, another one is we had seen air pressure. Yes, how can we know air having pressure and why it is happen? Likewise we had seen, right? Okay, dears. Yes, last but it is not the least, one is moisture. Yeah, what are the things? Yeah, can you say firstly what are the things we had seen in this topic, under the topic moisture? Yeah, very good, dears. Not only the environment, our body also having some moisture. That's environment moisture, right? As well as we had seen the seasons. In summer season we could compare the 2 seasons, summer season and rainy season. Why rainy season take longer time to take dry clothes, right? Yes, in summer season why clothes take short time to dry. Likewise we had seen why rainy season only clothes get longer time to dry, and summer season why clothes take short time to dry. Likewise we had seen, right? Yeah, okay, dears. As well as in this lesson we had seen the 3 types of rainfall. Yeah, dears, here listen carefully, it will be help you to write the exams. Types of rainfall. Yeah, 3 types of rainfall. What is one? The convectional rainfall, the orographic rainfall and cyclonic rainfall. Yeah, dears, you have to practice the model figure of the rainfalls. Okay. Well done, dears. If I want to say something about the question paper model, means you know very well what is the structure of the question paper, right? Simply get a first Roman letter as multiple choice question MCQ questions, and second Roman letter is answer the following question, and third Roman letter also you have to attend answer the following questions. But the second and third Roman letter having some difference. What is the difference? Yeah, second Roman letter have each question having 3 marks, and third Roman letter having each questions having 5 marks. Yes, in multiple choice questions, where you will be get variety of questions from history and from environmental science. Then yeah, you can get variety of questions like true or false and match the following. These kind of things is including in MCQ questions. So prepare well, and I wish to write the exams well. Okay dears, clear now? Very good dears, I hope I understand well. Thank you, see you soon, bye.